Mistplay rewards don't disappear or randomly increase requirements. What usually happens is your unit balance is lower than the redemption threshold, or your recent activity hasn't fully synced yet across Mistplay's servers. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your points feel stuck and how to fix it so your rewards actually become claimable again. The key idea is simple. Mistplay tracks units in two layers: what you see in the app and what's fully verified on their servers, and those two don't always update at the same time. Start with the most common issue: delayed sync. If you just finished a gaming session, your units can take time to fully register. Open Mistplay, pull down to refresh the home screen, and then fully close and reopen the app. This forces a manual sync with their servers. Next, check your active game sessions. Mistplay only counts progress when games are launched through the app and properly tracked. If a game was opened directly from your home screen instead of Mistplay, those points may not register yet. Now check the reward threshold carefully. Go into the reward section and look at the exact unit requirement for the reward you want. Many users think they're close, but they're still short because they're looking at pending or unconfirmed units instead of total usable balance. Another important fix is cache corruption. Go to your phone settings, open apps, Mistplay, storage, and clear cache. This doesn't delete your account, but it forces the app to rebuild your point display from the server version. If the numbers still don't match, log out and log back in. This resets your session token and forces a full recheck of your unit balance. It's one of the fastest ways to correct mismatched reward totals after updates. Also check if you're using multiple devices. Mistplay doesn't always merge progress instantly across devices. If you switched phones recently, your latest points might still be tied to the old device session. Finally, update the app. Outdated versions can show incorrect balances or delay reward syncing because newer tracking rules aren't applied. Here's the quick recap. Mistplay points usually look not enough because of syncing delays, untracked sessions, or outdated balance data. Fix it by refreshing the app, verifying game launches, clearing cache, and logging back in. Your next step is simple. Refresh Mistplay. Wait a few minutes. Then check your reward screen again before assuming you're short. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay reward and payout fixes.